Whiteboard wall quotes for July. Celebrating the 4th of July and summer vibes. This July, don't let inspiration stay boxed inside a tiny whiteboard. Imagine an entire classroom wall, floor to ceiling, turned into a living canvas of freedom and summer. Where liberty dwells, there is my country. Benjamin Franklin. Live in the sunshine, swim the sea, drink the wild air. Ralph Waldo Emerson. These aren't just quotes on a wall. They're daily sparks of reflection, patriotism, and joy for every student who walks by. With premium whiteboard painted walls, educators trade stained, ghosted boards for a seamless, decade-lasting surface that turns any hallway into an interactive quote station. This July, celebrate liberty, summer, and learning, one handwritten quote at a time. Transform your walls. Transform your classroom. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at remarkablecoding.com.